Question 12. We already done 10 and 11. 12, 2 to the power 2x minus 3 times 2 to the power x plus 2 equals to minus 32. So first, here is a 2 to the power 2x minus 3 times, we know a to the power m plus n can be write a to the power m times a to the power n. So here is a 2 to the power x plus 2. 2 to the power x plus 2, we can write 2 to the power x times 2 square equals to minus 32. Now here is a 2 to the power 2x minus 2 square means 4. 4 times 3 is a 12 times 2 to the power x equals to minus 32. Now let 2 to the power x can be write a. So 2 is 2 to the power 2x, it means like 2x to the power 2. So if a, so it's a square, so you can write a square minus 12a, and we are adding both side by 32, so it will be 32 equals to 0. 8 times 4 is a 32, and 8 plus 4, 8 times 4 equals to 32, and 8 plus 4 equals to 12. So this one we can write a square minus 8a minus 4a plus 32 equals to 0. So we can take common a, so a minus 8, we can take common minus 4, so a minus 8 equals to 0. Now here is a minus 8 and a minus 4 equals to 0. So now we can write either a minus 8 equals to 0. This case we can write a equals to 8 because we are adding both side by 8. A means what? A means 2 to the power x. So here is a 2 to the power x, and 8 can be write 2 to the power 3. So we can write x equals to 3 because the base are same. In this case power will be equal. Or a minus 4 equals to 0. A equals to 4. A means 2 to the power x, 4 means 2 square. So here is a x equals to 2. So finally, in this chapter, it means exercise 5.3 has done. Number 12 completed. So next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please should write in your copy 1 to 12 all math, because all the math are very important. Thank you.